Okay, Boss 302 fans. Here we have the red 70 Boss 302, missing its original engine, but in it is a 351 Cleveland with some aftermarket stuff on it. You see the chrome alternator. Um, I painted the block, at least the front part of it here. I put the original Ford coil on. Um, I put a metal fuel line instead of the rubber hose. That's a 289 fuel line because the dual feed carburetor goes over on the passenger side. So I put a 289, and I'll cut it off and actually put a filter on it and then put it into the double pumper feed right there. See, there's the old rubber hose. I think still the best way to burn your car down. But anyway, I want to go to metal line. And well, in any event, I'm not trying to go for factory correct or anything, but I just want to make it look, somewhat stock. I'm not going for total correct. Here's a brand new flat top battery um, with the auto light cover with the fake caps. It'll sit right like that. And I've got the Ford hoses and the Ford spark plug wire set, as well as some decals. And, well, anyway, you get the idea. We're just going to make it look real presentable, but it's a very nice car. A real Boss 302, and I just sprayed the center section of the hood. It was all washed out and nasty, so um, there you have it. Ford vans. This is the Gause Garage schlock treatment of a Boss 302. It's a driver, and I'm going to drive this thing. And you know what? If it were show, I would take it all apart and get a Boss block and do all that. But I don't want to go through that. I want a driver. I want a real Boss 302 that drives, and that 351 Cleveland makes it scoot pretty good. So there you go. Thank you.